Here are some simple ways to unlock the body just by using a 6-foot closet dowel, or if you got a broomstick nearby. Grab the dowel about arm reach. Keeping the arm stiff, begin by moving the dowel forward, up, and overhead so that the dowel goes behind you at about shoulder height. Then, alternate arms by bringing one arm up and overhead and behind the body, while the opposite arm comes around and in front. Be sure to switch directions, keeping the arms fairly stiff at the elbows so the movement comes to the shoulders. Place the dowel at one end on the floor, and in a split stride, allow yourself to lean over to one side, pushing the dowel as far away from you as possible. Feel that lengthening going down the outside edge of the body. Place the dowel behind the body with palms face back. Lift the dowel and arms back behind the body, keeping the elbows fairly straight. Opening up the front of the shoulders and the biceps. You can also do a forward bend while raising the dowel back behind the body. Holding the dowel as if you were throwing a javelin, but reach underneath that throwing arm and grab onto the dowel with the opposite hand. Keeping the elbow out away from your body, you're going to rotate back through the shoulder and then forward once again. Lengthen the hamstrings by reaching forward as you lift the foot off the floor. The forward leg should be straight at the knee. While the arms reach, tuck the tailbone under, allow the spine to flex and shoulders to round forward. Placing the dowel on the back of the shoulders, wrapping the hands around the dowel, spread the feet out about 3 or 4 feet apart with feet perpendicular. Lean to the side, plant the dowel down so that it points straight up to the ceiling, and slide on down.